We have 17 participants, I think, ha? In counting ba yun?
Hindi, yun na yun. Gusto mo sumali, Coach Juan, pwede rin naman. Koga against Escamis. Attacks and scores off the glass. He would finish off 2 feet.
And just, you know, the feel of the game, everything, timing, samantalang ito, James Mangas. But if you're Quezon, I think one good thing is that you can see also Clint being very aggressive. His lateral movement's good. That was a great pass too and great cut.
From beyond the arc. 10 out of 13 after that miss. Chris Lalata off that nice tap.
Nung tumapak ng mga 11, 12 years old na si Gab, medyo iba na story.
Iba na.
Binabangga na ako eh.
Sa ilalim, Gab Banal, right on cue. Gab, iba yung laro niya when he was with Xavier, di ba? Compared to now. Nag-evolve din yung laro niya eh.
Well, actually, when he was in Xavier, medyo yung nakikita natin na pag 4 nilalaro niya, yan siya sa Xavier. But then later on, nung naglalaro siya sa Bacoor, di ba? 3 ang laro niya, pero scorer siya, ball handle and all that. Doon nag-evolve eh.
De La Rosa, Cruz now against Año Nuevo.
Good first step. No.
Got Cholo up in the air.
It's a good move. Good drive to the basket.
Ball batted around. Bounce pass. Gab Banal, the setup job once again to Cholo Año Nuevo. Ending up with Abundo. Año Nuevo doing a good job cutting and scoring his 8th point. Especially coming off a long layoff.
Koga very wise there. Yep. That step back.
Running start for Dom Vera. To Abundo. Vera cuts. Lays it in with his left hand. Wala. Nakuha ni Rodel Gravera yung bola. Takes the free and makes it. Umbao leans in. Oh, that goes through. At the post. Umbao.
Oh, good cut.
So ideally, if you're the Huskers, kaya mo nang papuntusin dito ang Paranaque. Rodel Gravera, tumatrabaho sa ilalim. Sara to beat the buzzer. No
Had a
good.
line, had a good line.